As you know the rules of our Creative Friday, yes? Okay, you will get 5 minutes for your performance. Okay, you will get 5 minutes for your performance. Firstly, I would like to call Prakriti Burathuki for her performance. Now I would like to call here Sami Parazuli. Sami Parazuli. Okay, start.
Hello friends and teachers, it's me Sami Parazuli from class 6. Today I am going to sing a song for my Creative Friday. The title of the song is Ama and this song is dedicated to mother. Let's start. No mahina कोखमा राखी तिमीले भित्रायौ मलाई यो संसारमा बोकी जति कठिन परिस्थिति आए पनि तिमीले हुन दिनौ आमा केही पनि। तिम्रो माया र ममता पार म सम्झिने छु जहिले तिम्रो साथ। आफ्नो काँधमा शिर राखी हल्लायौ सुताउन, रोयो फेरि भने बिउजियौ आधा रातमा। हात समाई सिकायौ हिँड्न दौडिन, आज ठुलो भई तर सक्दिन बिर्सन त्यो माया र ममता पार। म सम्झिने छु जहिले तिम्रो साथ। क्षमा पाऊ आमा यदि मबाट गल्ती भए, तिम्रो मायाको आभारमा जसम्म बाँचिरहे। क्षमा पाऊ आमा यदि मबाट गल्ती भए, तिम्रो मायाको आभारमा सम्म बाँचिरहे। हिजो आज मनमुटाव भए होला, कहिले काहीँ मन तिम्रो दुखाए होला। हिजो आज मनमुटाव भए होला, कहिले काहीँ मन तिम्रो दुखाए होला। क्षमा पाऊ आमा यदि मबाट गल्ती भए, तिम्रो मायाको आभामा जसम्म बाँचिरहे। क्षमा पाऊ बुवा यदि मबाट गल्ती भए, मायाको आभारमा जसम्म बाँचिरहे। क्षमा पाऊ आमा क्षमा पाऊ बुवा यदि मबाट गल्ती भए, तिम्रो मायाको आभारमा सम्म बाँचिरहे। थ्याङ्क यू।
Okay, so nice, Samir, so nice. Okay, thank you so much, Samir. Excellent. Thank you so much, Samir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, now without any delay, I would like to call here Dilasa Shrestha for her performance.
Hello everyone, representing me myself as Dilasa Shrestha, a student of Mount View English Boarding School studying in grade 6 today. I am here with a tutorial of DIY pencil box which will be useful for all the students like us. So let's get started. Starting off with the things that we need are, we have some cardboard pieces over here covered with A4 sizes. We have cut these pieces according to the size we need. Now we are going to be pasting all the pieces with the help of a hot glue gun. So let's get started. this box will have a secret compartment. So we're going to be putting this in the middle. We're going to be pasting this in the middle like this. Now we are going to be sticking another piece. We're going to be applying this piece over here. So let's do it. Now the part is stick properly. Now we're going to make the back of it. We're going to be placing this cardboard piece. So now we are going to be pasting the cardboard pieces over here. Something like this. So right now our piece is ready, as you can see, and we have pasted the cardboard pieces on the corner, and we have even pasted a piece of paper for the decoration. So right now, as you can see, now it is going inside and coming outside, and this is a small compartment right now. So it is looking perfect. Now we are going to be making the top of this with the help of this piece of cardboard. We are going to be making the top part by the help of this small piece of paper. I have cut this piece of paper out of A4 size, as you can also do so. I have wrote the inspirational note like, so focus on your studies, study well, on the top part of the cardboard, and we are supposed to do it like this. Now I'm going to be showing you all how is it made. So like this, it is already made now and it looks perfect. Now we can easily close it and open it, as you can see. Now we are going to be putting some stickers on it. This is totally optional. If you have, you can use, and if you don't, you can leave this part. Here we go. Our box is finally ready. Now I'm going to be showing you all by opening it. Like this, we can open it. There's some inspirational note. There are some stationery products useful for your class. And yeah, the best thing comes when we can open the small compartment, which is a secret compartment where you can put your small pencil and your pencil colors. This is our final product. I hope you liked the video and even my pencil box. Thank you for watching, everyone.
Okay, Pilasa. So nice. All of you, please clap for her. Now, without any delay, I think now Anandita is ready, so that I will like to call her. Anandita, are you ready now?
Hello everyone, my name is Anandita Jha and I am of grade 6. I'm going to present one dog today in the Creative Friday. Today I'm going to make a dog, and to make a dog we need two square papers, one pencil and glue. First we need to take one square paper, fold it in half and just fold like a triangle here. See, triangle. Same, do this, follow the same pattern here. Now took the bottom point at the up. Now put it down. Now put one bottom like this. So the mouth is done. Now from the pencil we have to draw its eyes. So here I go. And one nose. and if the mouth is small, then we can do it big. Now the face is ready. Now we have to take another square paper. And just turn it in half. And then turn this also like one triangle. Not like a triangle, but like this, a little bit like a triangle. Now just attach it by glue. And now it's ready.
Okay, Anandita, so nice, Anandita. Okay, now here I would like to call here Ansuman Mahajan. Ansuman.
Ma'am, may I show my that last chicken, last roost, last which rooster I have made?
Okay. Please be quick, okay, Ansuman.
Ma'am, here. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, that is cock. You made it from that clay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Ma'am, I
nice,
even made lots of.
Ansuman. So nice. Okay, all of you, please clap for Ansuman. All of you, please. Okay. Yeah, so nice, Ansuman. Okay, now without any delay, I would like to call here Sagun Khadka.
Namaste everyone, my name is Sagun Kharka and today I am going to sing a song named Hamro Nepalma, which is dedicated to all
Sagun, please
the
sing it
people who
properly.
go to abroad.
Don't move.
घर आगन अनि साथी भाइ दर्शन नमस्ते सबैलाई दुःख दुःख भने यस्तै रहेछ हो आफ्नो विदेशमा को पराई ढिला सहर यहाँ बेग्लै सोचाइ आइपुगे म भने के गर्नलाई सबैलाई सम्झना मनबाट आशा छ माया यो नमरो छैन मेरो सन अहिले यहाँ भयो नि मन भने सानानी उतै छ हाम्रो नेपालमा मन पिएन यहाँ आउनलाई मरिने कि धन कमाउनलाई के गर्ने देशभरि बेरोजगारी थाम्न सकिएन ऋणको भारी आमा मेरी तिमी पछाडि याद आउँछ छलछली मुटुभरि बाबा र बहिनीलाई ठिकै छ नि सम्झन्छन् होला नि मलाई पनि मेरो सन अहिले यहाँ भयो नि मन भने सानानी हुँदैछ हाम्रो नेपालमा म्याम ओके थ्याङ्क यू
Okay, so nice, Sagun. Thank you, Sagun. Okay, all of you, please give clap for Sagun. All of you, please. Okay, Sagun. Okay, thank you so much, Sagun. Okay. Okay, now it's turn for Adhyana. Adhyana.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
now here I would like
Okay,
to
ma'am.
call here Pratistha.
Yes,
Pratistha,
ma'am.
okay, are you ready now?
Okay, ma'am. May I share this? Hello everyone, I am Pratishtha Shrestha from grade 6. Today I am going to show you the drawing of a girl which I made. This drawing is, I just made it by seeing a YouTube video, and I put my whole effort in making this drawing.
and it was very hard because I didn't had all the stuff to make this drawing, and this is a girl wearing a hat.
Okay, thank you so much, Pratista. Very good, excellent one. Okay, all of you, please clap for Pratista. All of you, please clap for Pratista. Okay, Subham, you can share your screen. You can share your screen. Okay.
Hello everyone.
Ma'am, this is
Okay,
Shubham
Subham, you
Powell
can start your video
from
now.
the class.
Yes, it is power.
Okay, Subham,
Ma'am,
please
his
start.
introduction.
Okay, Anandita, just wait a minute. Okay, all of you, please look it carefully. Okay, it is used in your daily life also. Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm vegetarian, so it is not used in my me and my mom. Only not my father.
Turn it. के पकाएको तिमीले के हाल्यौ तिमीले यसमा भन्नु त नुन खुर्सानी जिरा मात्रै हालेको एग हालेनौ तेल पनि हाल्यो होला तिमीले के गरी बनायो भन त अन्डाको स्लाइस कि ब्रेडको स्लाइस यतिकै फ्राई गर्यो अनि तिमीले एगमा के मसलाहरू हाल्यौ अनि बेसार हालेनौ कति कप चिया बनाएको? 1 कप.
Okay, now he is making tea.
यहाँ काम छैन त्यहाँ पढाउनै बस्ने हो.
Now he is going to serve this tea. Yes, Subham? Okay, Subham. Okay, Subham. So nice. Thank you, Subham.
Ma'am.
Okay, Subham.
Ma'am.
Okay, Subham.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell that the procedure of making that egg bread?
म्याम फर्स्ट अफ अल म्याम पहिला चाहिँ नि एउटा भाँडा दिनुपर्छ जुनमा चाहिँ नि हामीले त्यो के अरे ब्रेडलाई चोक्न मिल्छ अनि फर्स्ट अनि त्यसमा चाहिँ नि अन्डा फुटाएर त्यसमा मसलाहरू हालेर अनि त्यो चाहिँ नि त्यसमा ब्रेड डुबाएर अनि त्यो फ्राई गर्नुपर्छ.
Okay. Thank you, Subham. Okay. Okay, all of you, please clap for Subham. Okay, thank you so much, Subham.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, I think now our time is going to be over. Yes.